हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया टॉपिक लेकर आई हूँ जिसका नाम है फाइनेंशियल डेरिवेटिव्स। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे ही मैं कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। और प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू। अब हम शुरू करते हैं टॉपिक के साथ। फाइनेंशियल डेरिवेटिव्स। Derivatives are financial instruments whose value is derived from one or more underlying financial assets. The underlying instrument could be a financial security, a securities index, or some combination of securities and indexes. Derivatives are financial instruments that have no intrinsic value. They hedge the risk of owning things that are subjected to unexpected price fluctuations. For example, foreign currencies, stock and bonds. A simple example of derivative is butter, which is derivative of milk. The price of butter depends upon the price of milk, which in turn depends upon the demand and supply of milk. The term financial derivatives relates with a variety of financial instruments which include the following: short-term debt security or T-bills, interest rate, common stock and common shares, bonds and debentures, foreign currencies and other financial assets. The derivative market is defined as the market where exchange of derivatives takes place. Derivatives are one type of securities whose price is derived from the underlying assets, and the value of these derivatives is determined by the fluctuations in the underlying asset. These underlying assets are most commonly stocks, bonds, currencies, interest rates, commodities, and market indices. As derivatives are merely contract between two or more parties, anything like weather, data, or amount of rain can be used as underlying assets. The derivatives can be classified as future, forward, options, swap, and credit derivatives. Functions of derivatives. In spite of the fear and criticism with which the derivatives market are commonly looked at, these performs a number of economies function. First, helps in discovery of price. Prices in an organized derivative market reflect the perception of market participants about the future and lead the prices of underlying to the perceived future level. The prices of derivatives converge with the prices of the underlying at the expiration of the derivative contract. Thus, derivatives helps in discovery of future as well as current prices. Second, helps to transfer risk. The derivative market helps to transfer risk from those who have them but may not like them to those who have an appetite for them. Higher trading volumes. Derivatives, due to their inherent nature, are linked to the underlying cash markets. With the introduction of derivatives, the underlying market witnesses higher trading volumes because of participation by more players who would not otherwise participate for lack of an arrangement to transfer risk. Control market activity. Speculative trade shift to a more controlled environment of derivatives market. In the absence of an organized derivative market, speculators trade in the underlying cash market. Managing, monitoring, and surveillance of the activities of various participants become extremely difficult in these kinds of mixed markets. Next, act as catalyst. An important incidental benefit that flows from derivatives trading is that it acts as a catalyst for new entrepreneurial activity. The derivatives have a history of attracting many bright, creative, well educated people with an entrepreneurial attitude. They often energize others to create new businesses, new products, and new employment opportunities, the benefit of which are immense. In a nutshell, derivatives market help to increase savings and investment in the long run. Transfer of risk enables market participants to expand their volume of activity. Types of derivatives. Derivatives can be classified into two categories: commodity derivatives, financial derivatives. In a commodity derivative, underlying asset can be commodity like wheat, gold, silver, etc. In case of financial derivative, underlying assets can be bonds, stocks, currencies, etc. The following derivatives are available for trading in India. Forwards. A forward contract is a customized contract between two entities where settlement takes place on a specific date in the future at today's pre agreed price. The rupee dollar exchange rate is a big forward contract market in India with banks, financial institutions, corporate and exporter being the market participants. Forward contracts are generally traded on OTC, that is over the counter. Futures. Future is a contract agreement between two parties to buy or sell an assets at a certain time in the future at a certain price. Future contract a special type of forward contract in the sense that the former are standardized exchange traded contracts. Unlike forward contracts, the counterparty to a future contract is a clearing corporation on the appropriate exchange. Futures often are settled in cash or cash equivalents, rather underlying assets. Parties to a future contract may buy or write options on futures. Options. An option represents the right but not the obligation to buy or sell security or other assets during a given time specific price. The strike price. Options are of two types: call option and put option. Call option. It gives the buyer right but not the obligation to buy a given quantity of the underlying assets at a given price or on before a given future date. Put option. It gives the buyer the right but not the obligation to sell a given quantity to the underlying asset at a given price on or before a given date. Swaps. Swaps are private agreements between two parties to exchange cash flows in the future according to a pre-arranged formula. They can be regarded as portfolio of forward contract. Swaps generally are traded as OTC over the counter through swap dealers, which generally consist of large financial institutions or other large brokerage houses. There is a recent trend for swaps dealers to mark the market the swaps to reduce the risk of counterparty default. The two most commonly used swap are interest rate swap and currency swap. Interest rate swap. These entails swapping only the interest related cash flows between the parties in the same currency. Currency swap. These entail swapping both principal and interest between the parties with the cash flow in one directions being in different currencies than those in the opposite direction. Hybrid exotic sophisticated derivatives. These are the type of financial assets. These are derivatives whose value depend upon the another underlying assets that do not have standard payoff. As in the case of regular call option, it refers to any derivative security which is not an European or American vanilla call or put on a single underlying security. These options are more complex than options that traded on an exchange and generally traded OTC, that is over the counter. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. If you have any queries or if you want any video on any particular topic, please let me know. Message me in the comment section, comment me there. I'll definitely make a separate video on that topic and share it for you all. Thank you so much.